How far are we? We're about 1.4. Famous first words.
This jerky's pretty good.
Okay, Alex.
Local legends.
Boo.
Halfway there.
Hitoshi.
I have a mistake coming up with these guys.
And I think I left the stove on. Righto, where are we and what's going on? Look, we're heading up Devil's Thumb. It's just north of Mossman. It's a 1200 plus metre peak. There's a great big rock that sticks out of the, I think it's the McAllister Range, I could be wrong. And that's where we're heading this morning. We're probably getting close to about the 750 800 metre mark. We're over halfway now, heading up. It's a bit of a slug. It's so far I would say it's probably similar energy wise to Walsh's Pyramid, but maybe easier so far than Walsh's Pyramid. Not as many steps. Oh, a few big steps you've got to get up and over. But for the most part, it's pretty much all just good trail. Anyway, plug along. Casper, 3 words.
Hot, sweaty, tired.
Sweaty monkey armpits.
Bokua. Kusai desu.
Let's go back.
Perfect. Okay, look, we've just come up through all the hard yards, up the steep part. Now, I can't remember what this area was called. I did read it online. It's not called the garden, it's called something. Killing my legs coming up here. Okay, we've gone past that ferny part. We've gone up through the split rock and sort of scrambled up through there. And the trail's quite relatively flat, and it's quite cool temperate forest too. Probably been walking about another half an hour so far since we left the ferny soft part for the nice views. So I would imagine we aren't too far away from where we want to be. There we go. We're 3 hours 40 minutes into our hikes through the Daintree rainforest. We left the car park, it was 80 metres, and we're now at 1,164. We were at 1,200, a bit higher. We've been coming down for a little bit. The other guys are still behind us, and we've got one up in front of us. But I tell you what though, man, this is an epic walk. It's pretty full on, but it's got a little bit of everything. I mean, look at this rock just here. This is like Jurassic Park stuff. I'm looking forward to seeing this Devil's Thumb. I've brought the Mavic Air, so I think I'll show that Mavic Air up if it's not too windy, and hopefully we can get some nice shots of it. And we're hoping it's not covered in fog or cloud, because when we were back at that little fern garden, there was quite a lot of fog up on top of the mountain, a lot of clouds. So we're hoping it won't be too bad when we get there. Now I'll tell you what, I'm not looking forward to going back down to the car park, 1 kilometre down. It's going to be nice and slow. I think going down is going to be harder than coming up, to be honest. Man, look at this rock here. This is insane. That is just massive. The video probably doesn't do that justice. But that is huge. That's like 30 metres tall. There's a great big, looks like a fig tree right up on the top of it growing up there. Look at that, eh? One big bundi. Yes, I hope so. AW139 rescue chopper. That'd be nice. Oh, well there you go, 5 days. Yeah. If you had to sum this walking track up, how would you sum it up? What would you compare it to?
I'd say it's diabolically enjoyable, and it's kind of like a cross between Walsh's Pyramid
and Kelpellum Rock?
Yeah, and the nice parts of Kelpellum Rock up the top, I would say.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
But better.
Much better.
Yeah, way better. Way better.
How about you, Hitoshi? Huh? How would you rate this walk?
This is the best one I ever have.
The best one?
Yes. Nice view.
Yes. Spectacular view.
Yes.
Yeah. Scary view.
Yeah.
Yeah.